The Nissan Ariya is already a more compelling option than the Leaf before it. It's got a livable driving range and a shockingly attractive interior, but what Nissan's new electric SUV has been missing is the fun factor. That, however, may be changing with the just-revealed Ariya NISMO, slated for Japan. The Ariya NISMO is based on the brand's E4 ORCE model, which adds a second electric motor to the rear axle to give it all-wheel drive and some extra power. From the look of things, there will be two variants, though the specs have not been finalized or announced yet. The base model is called the B6 and generates 362 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, which it draws from its 66.0 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The more powerful B9 model makes 429 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque from a larger 91.0 kilowatt-hour battery. We know power is delivered to the pavement via a set of 20-inch wheels, but we don't have specifics on how much faster the NISMO version will be yet. In our testing of an all-wheel drive 2023 Nissan Ariya E4 ORCE Platinum Plus, we managed a 5.0-second run to 60 miles per hour. Adequate, sure, but not thrilling. We're hoping the 40 horsepower bump helps bring that number to something a bit more impressive. The engineers on the NISMO team worked on tuning the power delivery to improve acceleration and the sense of excitement when driving the car. To that end, Nissan added a new NISMO driving mode, which the manufacturer says is all about response. There's also an option for added sounds from the sporty model that are evocative of Formula E racing, according to the manufacturer. Additional tuning for chassis components should help make the Ariya more adept on the backroads. Both the inside and outside of the Ariya NISMO have been modified to fit the name. The iconic red accenting makes itself known along the bottom of the car, while the interior is finished in black and red and equipped with chunkier sport buckets up front. The new flagship Ariya is scheduled to go on sale in Japan in the spring. Car and driver reached out to Nissan to ask about potential availability in the United States, but has not heard back.